Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add a vCard to Squarespace for download. All right, let's begin. First, open your Squarespace website and go to the page where you want the vCard download link. For this example, you can start with a blank section. Add a block and choose the button block. Place it in the center and edit the button text to something like Download Now. Next, click Attach Link. By default, it shows a URL option, but you can select File. Make sure the option to open in a new tab is enabled. Then upload your vCard file by clicking the Upload arrow, selecting your file, and saving the changes. Now when someone clicks the button, the vCard will open in a new tab for download. You can also add a text link instead. Insert a text block, type something like Download your vCard, highlight it, and add the file link the same way. So that's basically how you can add a vCard to Squarespace for download. That's it for this video. Thanks.